Hey people, Sam Wilson TV here, and I want to talk about OBS 28. OBS 28 is here and many of you are happy about the update. However, so much has changed in OBS that this also brings minor difficulties. OBS 28 now uses WebSocket 5, but Lumiastream 6.1.7 uses WebSocket 4.9.1. But don't worry, we are already working hard to integrate WebSocket 5 into Lumiastream 6.2. Still, the release is still a few days away and WebSocket 5 is not making it easy for us. Fortunately, there is the WebSocket 4.9.1 compatibility tool, a hard English word, with it, and you can use OBS 28 together with WebSocket 4. We've linked you the files in the description and also made them available on our Discord. Go to this website and download the tool that fits you best. You can choose between an installer or a zip file. What do you have to do? There are two methods to install the comp tool. You usually just need to use the provided installer. Double-click on it and it will install all files in the right place. If you don't have OBS installed in your C drive, you may have to install the files manually. Download the zip file and extract it. Go to your root folder, for example obs-studio, and simply drag the directories data and OBS plugin into it. You may be asked if you really want to do this. Answer this with yes. Now you should see a second WebSocket option in OBS under Tools called WebSocket Server Settings (4.x Compat). And you can connect Lumiastream to OBS as usual. You may need to delete and re-establish the connections in OBS and ignore some error messages. OBS 28 is still very shaky on its feet. I hope I was able to help you out on this matter. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe, and have a luminous day.